This is a beautiful brown mix of plum tone, but this is what its brown is. It's a bridal collection and really stunning border, and the salvage is another level in orange. India sari is a one color only, like a brown only, but it's not a coffee brown or anything, so it's totally you can wear it as a first piece. And this is the blouse material. Look at the blouse material. So now I'm gonna put it on to show you guys how this beauty is. Let me put it a little bit heavy side because India sari has a lot of jarrah work. So look at this piece.